I'm gonna go ahead and start the house tour, that way you guys can see everything. Okay, so starting off, we have the office, which is pretty much facing the front of the house. This is gonna have a custom built-in. I'm not even gonna try to do no type of overlay, so that way you guys can see an inspo. You just probably gonna have to see it once it get done, but it's gonna be pretty much wall to wall from floor to ceiling, and then all new flooring is gonna go in. All right, so here we have the dining, which is here, and then the kitchen. So one of the things that we talked about and we decided on and made final decision on is this wall right here is gonna come out. This little pocket right here, and the pantry is gonna run through this whole wall, just because there's only about 6 shelving in here, so there's a lot of that space up and down. So it's just best to kind of blow this out. And then the pot filler, there's gonna be something going right up in here that I showed you guys before. And then of course the dining area, the living room. I think I showed you guys the honed marble to go here in the middle to create the fireplace wall in here. It's gonna look really good. So right now I'm in the master bedroom. TV's gonna be mounted. Furniture's gonna go in here. And then here's the bathroom, which I love. I am going to remove the mirror, take the lighting down, and then this wall right here is going to be cut out and have a full glass all around. And then right now we're talking about doing a freestanding tub, so we're gonna have to start looking for that, but I'm really excited. Da-na-na, da-na-na. When the contractor comes in today, I'm going to be talking to him about taking this down, this entire wall down right here, just to have a banister. And then I want to, I'm not 100% sure, I want to do a little nook right here, even if it's like a little swing, something really cute. I don't know, but it needs to be something that's going to be for the kids, that's going to go in this little area here. This room right here belongs to her oldest daughter. I'm gonna stand right here. I absolutely love the space. So the sofa that you guys saw is gonna go right here against this wall. There's going to be right here, it's going to be a console, credenza, TV. I'm gonna do a desk, shelving, that way she can still do her work. She's in college, so this right here is gonna be her workstation. The sofa's gonna go here, rug, ottoman, little ottomans and stuff, and then her bed is gonna go here, and I'm gonna have the nightstands. She has pretty much a loft setup. So I wanted her to feel like, yeah, she's home, but she still had her own privacy. I'm gonna take pictures before and after. Upstairs area is gonna get hardwood floors, and right here is an outdoor patio. And what I'm thinking about doing is having a console run this wall, ottomans underneath it. That way everyone can have seating and storage and all that good stuff. TV's gonna go against this wall, sofa, this little area. So since oldest daughter has her own living room, her friends can go in here, and this right here is going to be the area for the kids, so definitely a lot of storage. So I'm going to change the light fixture. Hardwood floor is going to go down. This is baby girl's room. Is the other bedroom, windows and closet and stuff. Really excited. Really excited. What we're gonna do now is go into consignment. She did find some chairs. They were high-end chairs, but they were at a consignment, and we're gonna get them upholstered. If you can think it, he can make it. But see, out here, he's only 2.5 hours, and he said he would drive halfway to pick up the stuff. For me, it would be 6 hours drive. And to me, that's just too much. Even if he said he would drive 3 hours, it's still a lot for him to drive. Well, Florida's 2 hours. I would have to buy a lot of stuff to make it be worthwhile, because it wouldn't even, like, what I had found was an ottoman that had a pleated skirt. Oh. It was so beautiful, but it was purple and green. Oh. Yeah, and I wanted it to be, I would have done like a creamy, like cheetah, but all cream. That would have been real nice.
Almost like that pink fabric we saw in Ethan Allen.
Yes.
But in a cream. I
would have done that. And I seen it, and I seen the fabric, but I was like, 6 hours? It's a lot. It's a lot. But on this project, we can definitely, if we find something that's worthwhile, I wouldn't mind getting it stained, especially with your wood guy. He's really good. He's like Tony.
As a matter of fact, I need to call him because he said, come by the shop and take a look at it today.
Please call him. Maybe I can make it before I go. Yes. Oh my gosh. We're just doing a lot of stuff today. So I'm going to go ahead and go.
You're doing too much today.
Well, I got till 12:30 before I have to get back.
Oh my God. Like, that's a lot of time.
Yeah. It's a lot. It's like an hour. Ask him, can we come right after we go to the consignment place?
I'm just seeing you're here and I'm thinking, here where?
So Willow is a subscriber and she watches my channel. And I tell you guys all the time, even if you may not be able to afford it, just go look at it. It don't hurt to go in these stores and look at the cushion, look at the seams, look at the stitch, because when you go into a consignment store, a garage sale or whatever, if you find something and you're unsure of it, you can tell by the details on that piece if it's worth the buy or not.
If it has a name, Google the brand name.
Yeah. Most definitely. But then sometimes the names kind of wear off depending on how old the piece is. So I'm just like, it's definitely something to do, something to think about. But we're gonna go because I'm gonna start driving. So deuces.